I love dappled light. What's up, guys? Welcome to a Tetons episode. I did not think I was going to be vlogging today, but here we are. I found a really cool spot. We're at Grand Tetons, and we're at what is this? This is Jackson Lake, huh?
Jackson Lake.
Yeah.
Dam.
Yeah, we're
Jackson Dam Reservoir.
right by the dam. Does anybody have any damn questions? There's a squirrel right there. Holy cow. Holy cow, I gotta set you down. I didn't expect that. There's a chipmunk, and he was right there, and I barely got him. That was kind of cool. That's why I always bring my 1 to 5. That, and because these mountains require some telephoto goodness. Look at, I don't think you'll be able to see that, but it's really starting to open up. I just walked over here, and the reason why I wasn't gonna vlog is because I was too busy taking pictures, but then my battery died, and I had to go back to the car, and I figured, you know what, I'm gonna vlog because this is too cool not to share. And I've got to go through some really tight spaces here, and there's like all of that as a cliff. Look at this. So I've got two options here. I think the sun, whoa, that's a big old spider just floating up in this. I'm gonna go away from that. I think the sun is gonna light up the main peak over here, the Grand Peak, Grand Teton. I don't remember the name. I think it's Grand, the big one. The sun is gonna light that up, and then there's two peninsulas sticking out in front for some good detail. I think I'm gonna try to zoom in on the 100. I gotta go this way. That's scary. There's also a nice shoreline down there, but I don't want to try to get to it. It's sketchy. I just ate a spider web. All right, that's what we found. Yeah, here we go. All right, let me get set up here so you can see where we found the flowers. We got the lupin, I think, some kind of lupin, and the peaks back there. So I'll show you my setup for that. Just give me a second. All right, this is what I got. So these flowers right here in the foreground, midground, background, sunstar. So F16 exposing for the sky first, get that sunburst, and then come in here, focus on the midground and bring up the exposure. So that's nice. Take that and then focus on the extreme foreground. Same thing, bring up the exposure, take that shot. There it is. So I'll blend all of those together. I'm gonna wait until the sun gets just right. I want it a little more behind that. And then so what I do, I stick my hand in front like that, and then I take a shot. Hold on a second. That way I know to break up the sequence. So this will be the next sequence of shots. So I'm just waiting on that sun to get just a little bit lower, because I want that sun star to really pop. All right, well, I got a couple last shots with the 1 to 500 of the sun going behind the mountains, and that gnarly spider right there that almost ended up in my face. Yep, they're all out, all over. Well, I'm gonna wrap it up. That was a pretty short episode, but I kind of wanted to show you like a quick, more real, not quite a one take, but you know, just a real representation of trying to find a spot super quick and trying to deal with a lot of changing light and broken gear. Life of a landscape photographer on the road. Oh yeah, that shot was with my R6 though, and the 14 mil, the Samyang 14 mil. Really been liking that lens a lot. And I only bought it for Astro, but I've been using it for landscape quite a bit actually, especially for stuff like that. Super wide stuff where I have to focus stack, and that is the wrong way. I don't like walk off a cliff or something. That bird is going crazy. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up here so that I can get back to the car safely. Hopefully I at least got a couple of images. There's another spider right above my head. There's another spider right above my head. Oh God. Please don't eat me, Mr. Spiders. God, those spiders are everywhere. I'm not like arachnophobic, but I don't like them. There's another one. They're kind of cool to take pictures of though. Yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the images. If I got anything good, I think I got something okay. Oh, that's a lot of gnats. Head down, head down, head down. So I'm on my way up to my workshop right now in the San Juan Islands, taking the long way. Right now it's the 3rd of July, so spending 4th of July weekend here at Tetons, which is ridiculously packed, but we're camping on at a campground, some BLM National Forest campsite that's not very crowded, and we're not hitting up all the popular trailheads and all of that, so staying kind of off grid. And it's pretty easy to do that in Tetons, you know, other than hitting up the couple famous, you know, lookouts and the barn and, you know, the Ansel Adams spot and all that. So we're not doing those because I've been there a million times. Hopefully I'm gonna find some more wildlife. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up because it's getting dark and I gotta get back to the car. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.